Split Muff Coupling. In this coupling, the muff is split into two hemispherical halves. These two halves are placed one on the other in a way to form a hollow cylinder. The shafts are assembled one on each side. The key joining the shaft with the split muff is then fitted. The split halves of the muff are then fastened together by means of square-headed bolts, nuts and washers. This coupling has the advantage that the parts can be easily dismantled by removing the bolts and nuts assemblies.